So hello all, welcome back to the another video of the Python series, and in this video we learn about the PYP and pip. And in previous video we learned the what is modules and packages and how we create the modules and packages we can easily understand. And now after creating our modules and after that creating the package, we just host or our package in any cloud platform. So the most popular cloud platform for the Python's developers, which is PYP, means Python package index. So just you call Python PYPI, okay, and you see the name of the where. So what is PYP package index? Is a repository of the software where we store all the packages related to the Python, and it hosts thousands of libraries and frameworks contributing by the community. Anyone can host their package, library, framework on the PYP. Okay, you can also create your own package and host here. Okay, and we can do further when we have just learn about the open concept. Okay, so how we can browse the PYP? Just go the link of the https://pypa.org. There is a very vast collections of Python package. Okay, so if you want to search any package inside that, so you just I will show you examples as well as. Okay, then we have also the package details key, what this framework do, what the package will we do, and how we can install and package all these packages from the PYP using with the help of pip. So first of all, we just go the tour of PYP. This is a Python package indexer, and this is very popular and is the cheese shop of Pythons. And if anyone loves Python or open source community, it's definitely contribute on the pip. Okay, because it is very easy to understand and contribute here. So you see they have multiple of projects. So we have 5,30,732 projects are there, and they have multiple releases there in crores. Okay, they have crores files, and 8,06,200 user are here who already contribute there. Okay, so how much is powerful. Okay, you see the contributors of the Python. So why is Python popular nowadays? Because everyone, if you have some ideas, the idea convert into the package or any framework, and the framework is directly uploaded in the cloud of PYPA, and anyone can use this, and it is very useful and popular, and it is a problem solving package, then it is automatically popular in community. Okay, so for example, we have used Panda most of the times when we have to do the data manipulations. Okay, so this is the Python data manipulations. So, and how we can install all of this package, just wait a second, I will explore all these things. Maybe my internet connection is very slow. So you see the multiple versions of Python, so I'm just choose one Python version 2.22. so this is the all tell about the what is the environment operating system which need for Python pandas. Okay, so if you want to use the Python in your own environment, so just click on the pip install pandas, just write on the cmd and just install it automatically. And if you want to use in the collab, so inside the collab you just click on pip install pandas, and panda is already installed in the collab. So because if anything you need as a data science, as a machine learning, it already installed in the collab, so that's why I love the collab. Okay, and it provides the CPU, GPU and disk if you have not so much powerful system in your local. Okay, so you can easily use, but one condition is you have internet connections. Okay, so everything you want about this pandas library. So this is Python libraries, and how we can contribute, what is inside the libraries, all the documentation part here, and who is the contributors, how many persons are there, the main features of this library and how can you install in any of this framework in any of other platform. So all are these things are defined in the PyPI. Okay, so now we have move forward to the next part, how to install. I will already told that you just with the help of pip you can install any Python package inside your local environment. Okay, so you just call pip install package name, or if the package is old version, so you can just upgrade with the help of pip install upgrade dash dash upgrade. And if you want to not needed any package, so you just uninstall package. And how many packages are there in your library? So how we know, just a second, you just call the pip list, so you saw the all the installed libraries in your system. So they have numbers of libraries are already installed in the collab, so you see there. Okay, so how we can do install, we have already say using the pip installs and all of this. And one of the most useful, we just use pip install r requirement.txt. It means we define all the modules package or framework inside the requirement.txt files, and after that we just call one time with the help of pip and install all the libraries in single click. We don't need to pip install pandas, pip installs numpy, pip installs keras. Okay, you just click all the files right on the requirement.txt file and run one time with the help of pip. So I hope you understand what is the use case of all of this, because we use web development with the help of fast API, Flask, Django, all of these, data analysis for NumPy, Python, these are machine learning, TensorFlow, scikit-learn automations. We use BS4, request and testing, unit test. These all are used with the help of packages. So I hope you understand all of these four things. First one is module, package, py, pip and pype. So all these are the informations regarding the Python before move advanced portions. Okay, now we will meet again the next video. Thank you.